back pain. Okay, sleep process. So I put a clear. Okay, what is this job thing? Job is a process only, but you are controlling job. Like you are giving a command means you are giving a job. You are giving a command means you are giving a job to it. Once it is completed, then it will return normally. Okay, so it will execute it. So last time I showed ls space um, hyphen capital R slash, right? So it run that command. So once command completed, then normally it will come. So it run on your foreground only. So look at, so it is running on my foreground and displaying output on my foreground. Now it is completed. Till the completion it runs. After completion it stops and it turn to the normal command mode, normal terminal mode we will get. Okay, like I have given another command, it clean my screen and it is written back. And also I showed the command is sleep. What is the user sleep? It run the process. That's it. Sleep process it run. That's it. For example, I am running for a 20 seconds. Just wait for a 20 second. It running on my screen. It's not written anything on my screen, of course, but it is running on my screen. Till I said Control C, I stop the process in middle, or let the process completed. We can able to see. For example, cat double greater or a greater anything double greater anything. Okay, RR RF1. I'm not doing anything. I'm sitting like this only. Nothing will happen. It will be there on my foreground only. The process running on your screen, it is foreground only. It is keep like that. Either I should put a control C, it means fit the from the process, or save it. For example, I'm typing this is RF1 file, something I given. Now I put a control D. Now completed. Now it is written. So this process we call it as a foreground process. For example, same process sleep 20. I'm running on a sorry again I put a same command. Okay, I'm running on my foreground. So it will be there in my it running on my foreground till the process is completed or process is terminated. Either it should be terminated or should be completed till it runs on my foreground only. Now it is completed. It returned to normal one. If I put a ampersand, have you seen the 20 seconds? My foreground screen is completely white color. That's thing, right? Normal it is not written. Normal I don't get a hash symbol immediately. It wait for 20 second, process completed, then it is written to normal one. But if I put a ampersand, what happen? This process run in a background, so it won't run in my foreground. It won't run in my foreground. Now this process running in my background only. So I am getting normal terminal. I'm not need to wait for 20 seconds. How to check this background process running? Already we checked with the ps command like this. Like this, we can able to see it. One more is there. That is ps space hyphen j is enough. Can you see? This is the one. What is this j? Means job running. One more command is there. Jobs. This is also we can see that is a stopped job. Okay, maybe the process is done. It is showing done. Okay, that's why we can't able to see it. So we can see like this. Okay, and we see the sleep process running, and also I use ps space hyphen j to see the job running. So background it is running. Once it is done, it is done. It is completed in a background only. It is completed in a background only. Okay, so this is about your foreground job and background job. What is this job controlling? What is this job controlling? This is a jobs command is showing, right? So what is this job controlling? How to control foreground job and background job kind of stuff. Okay, we'll see it again. Guys, understand foreground job and background job? Anyone? At least one person understand. Okay, I'm using sleep 1000 ampersand. I'm running a job in a background, not in a foreground. I'm running a another job in a background. I'm running one more job, at least three jobs. I'm running. Yeah. So one is sleep process for 1000 seconds, another is sleep process for 2000 seconds, another is sleep process for 3000 seconds. So I'm running a three jobs here. Okay. So you can see by PS space hyphen J, like three jobs are running. These are all three. Okay. One is already running. So I'm running these three process. Okay. And also you can see using this command. So this is the three things I am running now. This is already running in background and these three jobs. Okay. Next, we can use a command called jobs. I'm using a command called jobs. Guys, see at the bottom of the screen only. So I type a command called jobs. In this one, you can see there is a four jobs are running. One job is stopped, but three jobs are running only. So total four jobs are there. Out of four jobs, three jobs only running. Process is running. Why it is not showing on a screen the running process? Because the process is running in a background. For example, I want to bring one of the process to the foreground. I want to bring one of the process into foreground. How to bring a process into the foreground? We'll see. FG. FG means foreground process. I want to bring foreground background process to foreground. FG percentage and check the process number. So the job number 1234 is there now. 1234. So that's a job number. I choose job number 3. I choose job number 3. What is the job number 3? This is the one. I want to bring this foreground, sorry, background job to foreground. I want to bring background job to foreground. Now it is running on my foreground. It is running on my foreground. It is running earlier in a background. Now it is running in my foreground. Okay. Now it is running. So I have to wait till 2000 seconds completed or a remaining seconds. So out of 2000, how many remaining seconds are there? I have to wait till that time. Okay. To complete the process. Let to complete it. Wait for 2000 seconds. Can we do it? Okay. Now what I want to do is I'm stopping this process in my foreground. Understand what I'm telling the each line. I'm stopping this process. I'm stopping this process at my foreground. I'm not quitting. I'm not closing. I'm just stopping it. To stop the process in a foreground. To stop any process in a foreground, Control Z. Control Z. I'm pressing Control Z. The process is stopped. You can see that one. I put a Control Z and the process is stopped. Again, I'm going to jobs. I'm going to jobs, and also it is, you can see this is become stopped process. This is become stopped process. So process 1 is stopped. Process 2 means job 1 is stopped process already. 2 running. Third job stopped. I stopped manually. I bring that one into foreground. I stopped at foreground and I got my terminal. Now it is stopped. Third job is stopped. Now what to do? I want to run this stopped process in a background again, in a background only. So command is bg. What is the bg command? Bg command run the stopped jobs in the background. Run the stopped jobs in the background. 3, right? So right. Now it is running. Take it. Now process is running. So this is the job control. Okay. So this is a job running, and you can see when it is stopped, the ampersand is not there. Ampersand is not showing here. But when it is running, ampersand is showing. What is that meaning? The process is running in a background. not in my foreground. So this is a job control. Guys, any doubts? Or do you want to me? Do you want to? Okay, still two more members are down. Everything is in recording, guys. So I will scroll up and down. How many people are there till the completion? See, no problem. You know, Charan sir also subscribed to my channel. If you look at Charan sir also there in this one. Definitely. Tell to all others. I'm not joking at anything. He's also watch. That's why I'm not putting all into the WhatsApp. Okay. So this job scheduling also we can job control part. We can see it. Okay. Now first of all, I want to copy all these things. Anybody having any doubts, please ask me. I will tell. At least I will. From here I started. Okay, like this. So I created a job. Then I created another job. I created another job. The number it means it's a job number, live number. This is from here onwards. Job controlling is started. So how to bring foreground job to sorry how to bring background job to foreground. Okay, and how to stop it and how to run it. So this is the job control. Does anybody put a questions or anything? Please want to know. One by one is dropping.